Hi everyone, welcome to TUTOR LOKESH channel. So today I'll be discussing how to install and download Power BI, Microsoft Power BI, and you all know very much what is Power BI. And without delay, I'll tell you how to download and install Power BI. First of all, you have to click this link and you have to go to this website. The website is powerbi.microsoft.com, and just copy this URL, and I'm giving this URL in my description link. You can click that link. So when you click that link, you will be directed to this web page. Okay, I'll be giving you this link, and when you click that link, you will be directed to this page. And in that, what you have to do is you have to, Microsoft Power BI you'll only get the free version only for desktop version. Like you'll get Power BI desktop, and we'll have Power BI Pro also. But Power BI.com and Power BI Pro are not for free, and you have to enter your work email for Power BI Pro, and you have to pay something, right? And Power BI desktop is absolutely free. Okay, so when you click this download button here, and you will be directed to a Microsoft store. So and if you click install, so for me, I'm getting this type of message, something happened at your end, so that's why I didn't do this process. I'm just closing the store. And if you see the option right below it, advanced download options, you have to click it, and now you will be directed to a page, and here you can get download button. Here you can get download button, and before downloading it, you can check the details and you can check the requirements for your computer and how to install. And here, see here, the size of the file and the version, and better always go for the latest version. And if you click download, it will automatically download, and select the type of bit of your computer, whether it may be 32, you can click this one. If it is 64, you can click this one. Okay, so since my computer was 64-bit, I am going for the first option, and if you click next, it will automatically get download. Since I have already downloaded it, I am cancelling my download. Right, so once it is done, you will get installation button like this. See here. Once it is downloaded, after clicking install, you will get a display pop-up like this, and you have to click finish, and then you will get an interface like this, so which is nothing but a desktop icon will be created. And that's it. You can sign in later. Here it is a sign in option, you can sign in later. So if you want to get updated with the latest version every month, the Power BI will automatically be updated for every month, not for every year. And if you want to get your Power BI to be updated every month, so what you have to do is you have to go for file menu option. In that, click options and settings, and go for options, and then click this preview features. Then click this preview features, and here check all the boxes, and then click OK. So automatically, if you are connected with Wi-Fi or if you are connected with data internet, so your Power BI will be updated every month. And please ensure that you have the latest version of the Power BI installed, and don't download Power BI desktop from any other website other than Microsoft website. So the description given in the link.